Well, topic for today from chapter 1 number system is real number and its decimal expansions. You know, all rational number and irrational number are called real numbers. There are three decimal expansions form. One decimal is terminating. Another one is non-terminating recurring. And third one is non-terminating, non-recurring. See, if you want to understand three type of decimal expansions from rational number and irrational number, which are called also real number. Terminating decimal expansion. If I will give 21 upon 5, when you divide 21 upon 5, 5 4 are 20, 1 remaining decimal, 0 5 2 are 10. Okay, means this rational number is called terminating decimal expansion, because after a few steps, when division is complete and remainder becomes 0, when division is complete and remainder becomes 0 and the quotient is in the decimal form, this rational number is called terminating rational number and this decimal is called terminating decimal expansion. Okay, non-terminating expansion. If I will divide 10 upon 3, see here, 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 remaining, again point, 0, 3 3s are 9, again 1, G already decimal here, 0, 3 3s are 9, dash dash dash, continue. If the division is continuing, quotient is repeating again and again, recurring means repeating, the quotient is repeating again and again, this type of decimal is called non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay, when you will write this quotient is in the again repeating, you will write 3.3 bar. Put bar for repetition, put bar on any digit for repetition. Again I am saying, if in any division the quotient is repeating, same quotient is repeating again and again, this type of rational number is called non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. See, suppose that the value of pi, okay, pi means you know that 22 upon 7. When you divide 22 upon 7, the quotient is 7 3s are 21, 1 is remaining, point, 0, 7 1s are 7, 3 0, 7 4s are 28, 2 0, 7 2s are 14, 6 0, 7 8s are 56 upon 4, 0, 7 5s are 35 upon 5, 0, 7 7s are 49, 1 0. Now see, repetition again from here. When I divide 22 by 7, 3.142857, continue till 1 is remainder, 10 again I will divide. This same step come again, means 1 4 2 8 5 7. These digits repeats after some time. Okay, these digits repeats after some time. This type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion, and these both are called rational number. And it is denominated by r. Okay, These type of decimal expansions real numbers are called irrational number. Called irrational number. Okay, this is the last topic for you. These all are called rational number. This is called, this type of decimal expansions is called irrational number, and it can be written in the form of p upon q. Suppose that 3-3, write 3.3 bar in the form of p upon q. Okay, because this is rational number, the rational number must be in the form of the p upon q. But when the bar is with you, bar is with any digit, how will you convert it into decimal expansion in rational number? It is simply converted like this. See, answer. Write x is equal to 3.3, remove the bar, 3.33. ठीक है. After decimal, how many digits with their bar? Only one digit with their bar. Equation 1 multiply equation 1 by 10, because one digit with bar means you have to multiply 10. If 2 digit with bar, you have to multiply with 100. If 3 digit with bar, you have to multiply with 1000. Okay, then x multiply by 10, 10x, and 3.33 multiply by 10, 3.33 multiply by 10, it become 10x is equal to decimal 1 point ahead, 33.3. Okay, this is equation 2. Okay, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. See, 10x minus x is equal to 3.3. Take only 2 digits. Okay, 3.3. 9x is equal to 30. Okay, x is equal to 30 upon 9. This is in the form of rational number. Okay.